What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we do have an aircraft right behind me, and I did want to show y'all a aircraft after 4 years. It is kind of windy. I'm sorry for my hair. It's a whole mess. I haven't got no haircut, but today the video is not about that. It's about this aircraft I got behind me. I just wanted to show y'all real quick how it looks like after 4 years. Let's get to it. Okay, the owner did want it buffed a little bit right here in the front. We did detail it right here, but overall I just wanted to show y'all overall how it looks like. Okay, there is a crack here, but that's like nothing, doesn't have to do nothing with the paint. That's actually the aluminum cracked, but really that doesn't have to do nothing with the paint job. I mean, there's little scratches here and there, regular tear, you know, wear and tear. Like, okay, there is a little, it's chipping off a little bit here and there, but it's literally like 90% still all there. Look at that. It is dirty since it's been at the shop and we've been sanding this Meridian. But I just wanted a little floss right there. But like I said, 90% of the paint is still there, looking brand new. Right there is dirty. I just wanted to show y'all the quality. Of the paint job going on. I don't know if y'all want to look at the interior. I'm gonna just go ahead and see what's going on. I just like to go ahead and look at every aircraft interior, even though there's really nothing to look at, but sometimes you will find interesting aircrafts on the inside. It's all custom and stuff. We'll go ahead and do a whole 360 walk around. It's crazy, they have this little thing so you can just move it. Yeah, this is after 4 years of a paint job. It looks good. More floss, but like I said, that has nothing to do with the paint. I guess more aluminum cracked. Right here, this is peeled off. This is a paint problem. But as y'all can see, after 4 years, how it looks like, it's not too bad of a job, if you ask me. Okay guys, well, I'm gonna end it here for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.